In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a subpage in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing projects, tasks, and data, and knowing how to navigate effectively within it can make a huge difference in your productivity. Linking to subpages allows you to create a more interconnected and accessible workspace, so let's dive into how you can do this efficiently. To begin with, open your Notion app and locate the main page that houses the subpage you want to link to. You want to make sure you have easy access to the subpage, so everything can flow smoothly. Think of the main page like a folder on your computer, and the subpage is a document that lives inside that folder. Once you have your main page open, scroll down or navigate through your blocks where the subpage is listed. You should see it visually represented within your main workspace. This is where we want to link from. Now, to create a link to this subpage, simply hover your mouse over the subpage name. You'll notice a small 6-dot icon to the left. Click this icon to reveal several options. From the pop-up menu, choose Copy Link. This action will save the URL or unique identifier of that particular subpage to your clipboard. This is crucial because it forms the bridge from one part of your Notion workspace to another. Next, navigate to the page or area where you actually want to create the link to this subpage. This might be somewhere else in your Notion setup where you need quick access, or perhaps in a shared workspace with colleagues or collaborators. When you're in the appropriate spot to place the link, you'll want to create a new block. Simply click where you want the link to appear, and then type a command by pressing / followed by the text link. Notion will prompt you with several options, and you should select Link to Page. In the subsequent dialog box, you can paste the link that you copied earlier. To do this, right-click and select Paste or simply hold down the Ctrl or Command key and tap V. Once you've pasted this, hit Enter. Voila! Your link is now active. You might want to test it out by clicking it, just to make sure everything is connected as you intend. This link will take you directly to the subpage, ensuring you won't have to navigate through layers of your workspace to find it. If you plan to share this link externally or with other Notion users, make sure your permissions are appropriately set. You can modify these by going to Share in the top right corner of the page and adjusting the settings. It's important to remember that keeping your work accessible yet private as per your needs is key to maintaining a secure and efficient Notion setup. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you can seamlessly link to subpages within Notion, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your productivity. I hope you found this guide helpful. As always, thanks for watching, and happy organizing.